here I have something really dangerous. This is a microwave oven transformer. And basically how this works is if you touch it, you die. Basically, you plug into the wall and you get 2000 volts out, which is a lot. This is the same voltage as the electric chair. It's also 1 amp, so yeah, if you touch it, you will not be able to let go and you will die. So, yeah, I'm gonna be wearing gloves. Like, this probably also won't provide enough protection, but it is better than nothing. So my setup here is I have the microwave oven transformer above the ground so that I don't get electrocuted, and I'm also wearing Crocs, so I'm isolated from the ground as well. I also have this stick with a wire connected to the secondary winding, and there's a piece of graphite at the end as an electrode. So I don't have this plugged in yet. I'm gonna plug it in. And now I'm gonna turn on the voltage. And you see that? Giant arc. Look at that arc. Wow. But yeah, that's like a really high voltage arc. So yeah, if you touch this, you die. Still really scared of this. But,